Success and financial freedom are achievable for anyone who understands the right principles. This video will reveal important secrets to becoming successful and making a lot of money, including things that rich people don't want you to know. By applying these lessons and taking action, anyone can change their life. 1. Change your mindset. The first secret to success is your mindset. Your mind is very powerful. If you think like a rich person, you will become rich. If you think like a poor person, you will stay poor. This is the law of attraction. What you think about, you bring into your life. Rich people believe that money is good. They believe there is always more money to make. They do not fear losing money because they know how to make it again. Poor people think money is hard to get. They think rich people are lucky. This is the wrong mindset. If you believe you can be rich, you will find ways to make money. 2. Take action. Thinking is important, but action is necessary. You must take action every day. Many people wait for the perfect time to start something, but there is no perfect time. Start today. Even small steps will bring you closer to success. Rich people take risks. They try new things. Sometimes they fail, but they learn from failure and try again. Poor people are afraid to fail, so they never start. Do not be afraid. Failures are lessons that make you stronger. 3. Create multiple sources of income. The next secret is that rich people do not have only one way to make money. They have many ways. If one way stops, they still have money coming from other sources. Here are some ways to create multiple sources of income. Start a small business. Invest in stocks or real estate. Sell things online. Write a book or create online courses. Start a YouTube channel. Do not depend on only one job for money. Jobs are not secure. If you lose your job, you lose all your money. But if you have many ways to make money, you will always be safe. 4. Save and invest. Making money is good, but keeping money is better. Many people make a lot of money but spend it all. Then they are poor again. Rich people save and invest their money. The secret is simple. Do not spend money on things you do not need. Instead, use your money to buy things that will make more money. Buy assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, like businesses and investments. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like cars and expensive clothes. If you save and invest, your money will grow. Soon, your money will work for you, and you will not have to work for money anymore. 5. Learn every day. Rich people always learn. They read books, take courses, and meet successful people. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more opportunities you will see. If you want to be rich, learn about money. Learn how businesses work. Learn how to invest. There are many free resources online. Use them. 6. Surround yourself with successful people. You become like the people you spend time with. If you spend time with people who complain, you will also complain. If you spend time with people who work hard and think big, you will also work hard and think big. Find successful people and learn from them. If you do not have successful people around you, read their books and watch their videos. Their knowledge will help you grow. 7. Never give up. The last secret is to never give up. Success does not happen in one day. It takes time. There will be problems and failures. But if you keep going, you will win. The only way to fail is to stop trying. All successful people faced failure, but they never stopped. You must do the same. Keep learning, keep working, and keep believing. Your success is coming. Now you know the secrets to success and making money. Let's recap. Change your mindset. Take action. Create multiple sources of income. Save and invest. Learn every day. Surround yourself with successful people. Never give up. If you do these things, you will be successful. You will have money. You will live the life you dream of. So don't wait and start today. Your future is in your hands. Believe in yourself and take action. Success is waiting for you. If this speech helped you, share it with others. Let's all make money and succeed together.